Famous Claypot rice.
On and then back on. Oh man, someone cooking away.
Maybe, yes. Oh, hello.
Oh, this is for us.
Thank you.
Oh wow, thank you so much. Oh
Look
man.
at this.
And we got teapots.
And we got here.
Not 100% sure, but you can smell it.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I have no idea what's in it. I just know it's really, really hot.
Uh-huh.
And it's got like sausage and something.
Lots of green stuff on top.
Some more something.
I have no idea. Vegetable oil. So you pour a little bit. Whoa, it's leaking. It's okay.
Cool.
Black sauce.
And then we must pour some of the black sauce.
It's okay.
Good.
And then you stir it.
You just you
Use the orange.
Oh,
use the orange
ladle.
Well, everyone in the food court
Everyone's
just
helping
comes
us out. And you just toss it.
Okay, and then we. This is so.
Oh,
good.
look at that.
Look at this steam.
Oh wow. Oh man. This is so much fun.
Yeah,
And everyone's helping us out.
that's so cute.
Oh wow, look at that. Look in. And then a little bit of greenery because I feel like that's appropriate. And then we let it cool down for about 4 hours.
Yeah, I think so. Enough playing about.
We're not playing about, let's try some of this.
Famous Claypot rice.
Oh wow. It's like all the flavors have just soaked through it. I'm actually taking the sausage and I didn't eat any of it. That's what it is, proper Chinese sausage. And the fats of it and the oils have all gone into the rice. This is what you're coming for. Because the chicken is steamed in the rice, it is so soft and juicy. Mad chopstick skills from Rick.
This has been such a great experience.
It really has, and keep it in the pot because the
Yeah.
pot keeps it hot.
Keeps it wonderful and hot, and they've been so much.
Man, but we managed to eat a lot. I'm surprised
Yeah.
at that. That's how good it is.
It was really yummy. Yummy. And I think she didn't give us anything weird. She just gave us like proper pieces of chicken and some sausage. I think she tells who you are, and if she thinks you're worthy, you get like chicken innards. I'm happy that we were the chicken thigh people.
Chicken thigh people, that's who we are.